Hi guys, so in this video, we're going to cover Facebook login issues. A lot of us have that issue, particularly if you're an agency. Okay, I'm going to give you a gist. So, as an agency, we have different standards. So there are certain popular issues out there where we make a course to teach people how to do this on their own or on their spare time. Okay. Now, second option is that clients can book a consultation where we join them over a call. In most cases, they have to have a laptop. Then we join them over a live video call. They share their screen. You could share your screen using WhatsApp on a WhatsApp call, or using Google Meet, using Zoom, or you could even use Microsoft Teams and so many more and so much more softwares and platforms that offers that feature. Then another third one is for people who are so busy and they like convenience. Some of these persons would want to release their login details. Say, okay, please, we trust you enough. We would want to send our password for you to help us do this from your end. Okay. So we offer different options to suit our clients. So whichever one they prefer, we are in there. So, but this is very common for most agencies or people who help a lot of persons to get things sorted out. And this doesn't mean that as an individual, you would most likely not face this issue. Individuals do face this issue where they are unable to log in their Facebook account with the same login details that they are very, very sure of. So it's kind of funny sometimes. All right. So we're going to cover all the steps or all the things you could try out, and one of them should work. So take notes in case you need a special guidance. Just as I've said, you can book a consultation in our support channels or contact us channels, and one of our expert agents will be on a call with you to guide you on how to log in your account or to solve any issue you have on Facebook or on Instagram or, other platforms that we cover. All right. So we're going to start. And also, if you have an urgent need, you could also try reaching out to us on WhatsApp, or you visit our website and we are going to respond to you within a short time. All right. So number one, so one of the easiest way, you could log in. I'm going to tell you 3 major ways you could log in your account on Facebook. The first one is with your phone number. Believe me, the third one, a lot of persons don't know about this. So the second one is your email address. Okay. Yeah. And the third one is the full name you bear on Facebook can be used to log in into your account. Yeah. Then your password, definitely, that's where, okay. So if you're very familiar with Facebook platform, whenever you click on facebook.com and they ask you to log in first, you're going to see a space, which is the first empty box where you're supposed to input either your email address or your phone number. And I'm telling you that you could also add your full name exactly as it is on Facebook. You could add your full name on that particular box. Then you input your password and click on login. You will be able to log in to your Facebook account. It's that easy. I've given you the first hack in this particular option. So I'm going to tell you the next one. So if any of these, if you try all these 3 methods or 3 options and it doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is to change the URL or to change the version. Don't forget, Facebook has a web version. Facebook has an app version where you have to download the app, and they also have a mobile version. So let me reemphasize. So there's a desktop mode, there's a mobile mode, and there's also an app version. So the app, you just basically have to download the app and you put your login details. Now, so if you're using the desktop mode to log in, you basically want to input particularly HTTPS, the 2 dots and slash web.facebook.com. So this is going to open up the desktop mode for you to log in. Okay. Another one that supports, that's in between. So let's say, for example, if your mobile device is on desktop mode, it will automatically open the desktop mode. If it's on mobile mode, it's going to focus more on opening the mobile mode. Another one is www.facebook.com. Now, the last one is m.facebook.com. Usually, m.facebook.com is going to work when every other option has failed consecutively. Don't forget, if you need help with any of this, kindly book a consultation with one of our experts and we'll join you over a call for you to be able to achieve this success on your phone. So for the first one, okay, let's assume you're using your mobile app. So when you open the app, you click on login. You try logging in with your phone number. If it doesn't work, so you input your phone number and your password. You click on login. If it doesn't work, try logging in with your email address. You input your email address and you input your password. Then you click on login. If that doesn't work, simply input the full name you answer on Facebook. Okay, not nickname. Don't add the nickname. The official full name you answer on Facebook exactly as it is. The order should also match. So let's say, for example, if you're answering Mark Joseph John, make sure you start with Mark Joseph John. Okay, don't displace the names. All right, so that is the order. So make sure you put the full name, and the order in which it appears on Facebook should be that same order you're going to input in that box where they're asking for your mobile phone number or your email address. So you input your full name there. Then you go to the password section and you input your password. Then you click on login. Sometimes some of you might have misplaced cap log. So some of your password character is supposed to be in capital letter or in small letter. So make sure you exchange that often so that you have a stronger chance to log into your account, just in case you've forgotten how exactly your password is. If not, reset your password. We're going to attach a link in the description section to show you how to reset your Facebook password and also how to update your contact or your login contact information, which is your email address or your phone number. Okay, then we're also going to, and maybe how to change your password. So we're going to attach a lot of things in the description section. So for the next one, let's say you're using your web browser on your mobile phone. So you could do web.facebook.com. Then you log in. You try the same thing we mentioned in the mobile app. Try to log in with your mobile phone. If it doesn't work, your mobile phone number. If it doesn't work, try your email address and input your password. If it doesn't work, on that box where they ask for your mobile phone number or your email address, input your full name on Facebook and the order should match what is there. Then you input your password and log in. Same thing, you're going to do the same thing when you visit m.facebook.com, which is mobile.facebook.com, and also for www.facebook.com. So you're going to try all of these and one of them should work. All right. So if it doesn't work, if you're still having issues, please contact our expert team to guide you. Now, for those of you who are going to ask, is there any way to report this to Facebook? Yes, there's one way. We're also going to attach a link in which you could report to Facebook about the issue you're experiencing. So be descriptive as possible and hopefully you will get a response. But if you want to talk with the expert team and hear from people who understand how Facebook works in a big way, feel free to book a consultation or contact us on our WhatsApp line and place your booking. Don't forget, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So see you in our next video. Cheers.